Assassinator. Noun. A murderer, especially one who kills a prominent political figure, who kills by a surprise attack and often is hired to do the deed. Assassinators of kings and emperors. Synonyms: assassin, bravo. Assault. Verb. Attack someone physically or emotionally. The mugger assaulted the woman. Synonyms: assail, attack, set on. Assay. Noun. An appraisal of the state of affairs. They made an assay of the contents. Synonyms: check. Assemble. Verb. Get people together. Assemble your colleagues. Synonyms: gather, get together. Assemble. Verb. Collect in one place. We assembled in the church basement. Synonyms: foregather, forgather, gather, meet. Assembly. Noun. The social act of assembling. They demanded the right of assembly. Synonyms: assemblage, gathering. Assent. Noun. Agreement with a statement or proposal to do something. He gave his assent eagerly. Synonyms: acquiescence. Assent. Verb. To agree or express agreement. The Maestro assented to the request for an encore. Synonyms: accede, acquiesce. Assenting. Noun. Agreeing with or consenting to, often unwillingly. Assenting to the Congressional determination. Synonyms: accession. Assert. Verb. Insist on having one's opinions and rights recognized. Women should assert themselves more. Synonyms: put forward. Assert. Verb. Postulate positively and assertively. The letter asserts a free society. Synonyms: insist. Asserter. Noun. Someone who claims to speak the truth. A bold asserter. Synonyms: affirmer, asseverator, avowor, declarer. Assertive. Adjective. Aggressively self-assured. An energetic assertive boy who was always ready to argue. Synonyms: self-asserting, self-assertive. Asseverator. Noun. Someone who claims to speak the truth. An asseverator of strong convictions. Synonyms: affirmer, asserter, avowor, declarer. Assiduous. Adjective. Marked by care and persistent effort. Her assiduous attempts to learn French. Synonyms: sedulous. Assign. Verb. Get out. We were assigned new uniforms. Synonyms: allot, portion. Assign. Verb. Select something or someone for a specific purpose. The teacher assigned him to lead his classmates in the exercise. Synonyms: set apart, specify. Assign. Verb. Decide as to where something belongs in a scheme. The biologist assigned the mushroom to the proper class. Synonyms: attribute. Assigned. Verb. Get out. We were assigned new uniforms. Synonyms: allot, assign, portion. Assigned. Verb. Select something or someone for a specific purpose. The teacher assigned him to lead his classmates in the exercise. Synonyms: assign, set apart, specify.